Welcome back to Prime Edition, our socials.
At KBC Channel 1 on X, Facebook and YouTube. Top onto one of our big stories today.
The late Albert Ojwang murder trial at the Kibera High Court entered day 2 on Tuesday.
A protected witness who has 10 years of experience in the National Police Service told the court that the Cell Sentry Officer on duty is the only personnel with authority to give access to cells.
And as Ruth Wamboi reports, the head of forensics at the Independent Policing Oversight Authority confirmed that Albert Ojwang arrived at Nairobi's Central Police Station alive, but left while unresponsive.
Day 2 hearing of Albert Ojwang's murder trial at Kibera High Court, and the court was taken through a chronology of events on the day the teacher and blogger was brought to the Central Police Station in Nairobi. The question of who had authority to access the holding cells at the station took center stage.
Instance where a person who is not a police officer is authorized to have a key to any of the cells at the Central Police Station? No. Not at all. And in such instances, let's say for example, if it is found that the key of the cells is in the wrong hands, who takes the responsibility?
The OCS is reported to the OCS and immediately the padlocks are changed.
And immediately the padlocks are changed.
A witness referred to as AAA informed Justice Diana Kavesa that access to the cells was limited to authorized persons only. But during cross-examination, defense lawyers sought to establish whether senior officers, like an officer commanding station or his deputy, could bypass those procedures. Defense also poked holes in the movement of officers and unidentified civilians captured at the station on CCTV footage that was played in court.
Duty that morning for the purpose of the records office. Were you relieving anybody?
No.
You are not. If a duty officer during his entire duty roster, hour, 24-hour, did not check the cell, it would concern the running of the station. It would concern. Thank you for your kindness.
The court was also told that Police Constable Peter Kimani was the Cell Sentry Officer at the Central Police Station on the night Ojwang was brought in. Kimani allegedly gave co-accused Constable James Mukwana and unidentified men access to the cells before they emerged 15 minutes later, hiding their faces from the CCTV cameras.
Entrance for a while. A and D are captured talking at the station entrance for a while, and they are joined by I. You can see
An independent policing oversight authority forensic expert who took to the witness box in the afternoon testified that after CCTV footage analysis, he identified the Deputy OCS Samuel Nganga and Constable James Mukwana holding several meetings with the OCS Samson Talam.
Ojwang arrived while able to walk. Within the Central Police Station, and he is seen making phone calls within the premises of the Central Police Station.
Talam, Mukwana, Kimani and 3 civilians are charged with the murder of teacher and blogger Albert Omondi Ojwang on Saturday, June 7, 2025. According to the CCTV footage that was played in court on Tuesday at exactly 1:21 a.m., the late Albert Ojwang is seen being carried by 4 policemen inside a police vehicle, with the then OCS Samson Talam seen flagging off his deputy and 2 other police officers as the car moves out of Central Police Station. The hearing continues on Wednesday, 22nd July. Ruth Wamboi reporting from Kibera Law Court.